Unbelievable. Well, that's all good.
G'day guys. It's a bit of an odd video. The car's running, but my mechanic Phil just said, look, make a video. We've had a few calls from sort of BMW diesel, X6s and that are stalling after they get a diesel fuel filter done and stuff like that. My mechanic just alerted me that this seal was at the bottom of the box separate to the filter, and in the past he's seen these seals crushed and misinstalled. Now that seal goes in there. So we had a call from an X6 a couple of weeks ago. They did a filter, and basically he said, it was fine. It was fine from out west into Sydney, and then it wasn't fine, and now the car died. Now what happens in that case is the diesel system hates air. Air does not compress. So if you're lucky, your car won't start at all. I'm just trying to get away from that noise. If you're lucky, your car won't start at all. But if you're unlucky, you'll get a little pinch and it'll suck air in intermittently and absolutely drive you bonkers. So that's actually a 118 diesel, the infamous you know, those engines with the timing chains. But I said to the mechanic, I won't be driving that. But yeah, like, this has really been something we've heard about. I haven't seen too much of it in my experience, but my mechanic Phil, when he started, he mentioned it. We've had some calls about it, but now to actually receive the aftermarket filter with this in the bottom of the box, so all these people doing them at home, DIY, there you go. Beware of that seal. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.